This work package is called Circular Systemic Solution, Water and Nutrients, and is directed to the development of a regional cluster that will be able to deal with wastewaters from different origins and gases from several industries as well, in order to be treated and to make value from this kind of nutrients in order to become part of a circular bioeconomy. We expect to clean the environment, I mean the air, to become less polluted, to decrease the carbon that is released by industries. We expect to get products, different kinds of biostimulants for the agriculture, and this means that we are expecting to get high added value products that can be used internally in the same region and to close the cycle. So it is a real example of a circular bioeconomy, and all the waste should be reused in the same region. Concerning the task, we expect to develop an implementation plan to be useful for all the stakeholders that will be involved. We are also planning to have a book of protocols that we are using. We expect to use to measure the outputs of the projects. Then we are planning to build a demo plant in Poland, in one region in Poland, it's the Łódzki region, in which, using microalgae, we are planning to convert, as I told you, flue gases and wastewaters from several origins or sources to microalgae, to a biomass that will be used as a biostimulant. And lastly, we are expect to develop tools of design thinking and also methodologies of geographic information systems in order to have a mapping of the places where the wastewaters and the flue gases will be released and the places where we are expecting to treat these kind of nutrients for the bioeconomy.
There will be a lot of interaction between different stakeholders, and I believe this is the main challenge either for WP5 or all the others WPs or systemic solutions, because as you can imagine, we are talking about interactions between feedstock suppliers, so actually the companies, the sources of feedstock can be flue gases, can be wastewater, and then you have on the other side you have technologist and technology developer, so sometimes they are talking in different languages, so understanding each other I think is the main challenge to make a step forward. And there is another point, the distance, physical distance also makes it more complicated, because it's much easier if you on place and you can contact them directly, you speak the same language, etc. And one more point, actually very crucial, is that mapping and the data management of the information that will be produced must be also reliable. So we have to create the trust between us, the project partners, and the stakeholders who will deliver the information. So they have to trust the project, us, and to provide a real number that then really can build something, because if you want to build a demo, you have to have reliable data. Otherwise, the money will be spent for nothing. It's not about talking in different languages in the direct sense and in terms of languages, English, Polish, whatever, but to find ways to speak to people in the way that they understand.
They understand, yeah. We need to speak directly to the people face to face, that what kind of problems they have, and that we are the right persons, we believe, to help people to solve their problems. The point is the COVID crisis and now Ukrainian war are triggering local solutions. So local communities should produce local products to be consumed locally. This can be applied for energy, can be applied for bio-based products, can be applied for almost everything. Any region should be as self-sufficient as possible. And frontship, I strongly believe that it will be very important to show all stakeholders that we are doing the right job.
And it's possible.
And this is possible.